So in today's video, I'm going to show you that how can you modify the prompts in PowerShell. For example, what I'm saying that you can display uh, letters, words of your choice here. So I'm going to show you by making changes where you will be able to see line numbers right before I think greater than sign over here. So it should be shown something like D learning uh, learning PowerShell. Then it will be something like one and like this. And next, when I hit enter, it will change to two, and then to three, then to four, like that. So how is it is going to help me? It is going to help me in a way. For example, I'm making this video. I can say that the command written in line number four is do is does this particular actions or particular things. So let us start with modifying that, doing that. So how does this string is displayed as a prompt in PowerShell? There is a prompt function that is present that is run by the PowerShell command line to display this prompt text over here. So where is this stored? For example, if you type profile, hit enter, you will see this particular path in your uh, PowerShell terminal. So test that this is present. In my case, it is present. If it is not present, then you can do something like this. You can do this item type file, and path will be $profile, and you can say force something like this. If you say force, it will override the already existing profile. If you run this command, it will create the file. So once that file is created, I'm not running this command because my profile already exists. Once this is created, open that in any editor, text editor. I'm opening in Vim. Open here. I already have three functions written over here. For example, I wrote start Vim to start Vim editor, so that this is that command is over here, and other two commands to start and stop Postgres database. So I will say start writing function uh, prompt. This function will get called uh, every time this text is displayed. So now I want the original text that comes by default with this Postgres, this PowerShell terminal. So how I'm going to get that? I will say the command is get child item function. Look in the functions and look for the name prompt and give me the definition. So this gives me the definition. This is the command that is running currently. I will copy it, open the profile. I will go here and say paste. Let me show you that the changes are taking effect. I will remove this ps from here and write my name and use dot operator to source the profile. Now you can see that my name is coming in place of ps, so you see that the change is happening. Go back to editing, removing my name, and I can say over here I will go back and right before that greater than symbol I will say something like, and I will write prompt line number. This is the variable that is going to keep my number in it. I will create a variable, we'll say of type integer, and give and name is going to be exactly what name is over here. It's a prompt line number, and it is going to be 0. So I have defined a variable because it should be increment in every step. Every time a function is called, I will say increment dollar prompt line number. So every time it will increase by one. From zero it will one, three, then two, then three, then four, then five, then six, like that. Let us run the test. So you can see now I have this directory. Then I have the sequence number that we want. But the issue is this is not increasing. This is still one. But I want it to increase by one every time. It should be the correct sequence should be one, two, three, four, five, six. But that is not happening. So what I'm going to do, say that going to do and say, for example, well, the issue is that currently variable, this variable, the one that is highlighted, is in function scope, and our variable at line number 16 is in global scope. So access the variable in the global scope, I have to say dollar global colon prompt line number, and let me clean it. Source the profile. Now you can see that the number is increasing, going from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, like this. So this is the way you can modify the prompt in your PowerShell command line. And to know more, keep watching my video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.